Today I'm going to be reviewing Silk Road Organics Lavender Essential Oil Spray. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I just put it on my wrist. Very nice. Now, I've got some of this that I use on pillows and stuff like that for relaxing and stuff. This is not for pillows. This is for us. This is for humans. It is certified organic, USDA certified. I put it on. It does smell good. So if you like lavender, you're going to definitely like this. There's the bottle right there. 1 ounce spray. What I didn't know is I saw that some people say that this helps keep away mosquitoes and wasps. So I don't know if it does that, but people have said that. If you want something that's calming, that smells good, I usually will put this on if I'm going to go take a nap or something like that, or at night. It really is really nice to have. This does really well on Amazon. Not only is it an Amazon choice, it gets 4.3 stars. And last month, over 600 plus of these bottles were bought. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.